In this lecture, I want to talk about doing internet research. Now, internet research, I used to just say, go to Google, right? You need to find out anything, Google it, and then go to various Wikipedias and stuff like that, whatever it refers you to, Reddit, wherever you find cool articles. Now, I use ChatGPT instead. And what it does is it takes information from a lot of different websites and merges it together and allows me to get very specific on what I want. It even gives me text that I might want to use. I've used ChatGPT to write and publish books on Amazon. So what I want to do is jump over to ChatGPT and show you how you could use it to do internet research. Here I am in my browser, and that's how you access ChatGPT. It's a chat application that runs in the browser. And to get there, you go to chatgpt.com. Now, you can log in, anybody can log in and start using ChatGPT. It's going to ask you to create an account at some point, and then I think you get some more features. And then there's an option to pay $20 a month, which I'm paying, to get all of the features of ChatGPT. And if you look over here on the edge, this closes the sidebar. This reopens the sidebar. And you can see within it, I can create a new chat, one of these, where I build things or ask for internet research. I can use Sora, which I think has to do with creating videos. I can use DALL-E, which is for images. I even loaded a bot that somebody provided into ChatGPT, so I've got that, a specialized bot for a particular application. So you can create your own bots. Now, down below are all of my chats. It saves all my chats that I've had with it, and I've had a lot. I've used chats to create book descriptions, to create books, content, to create Udemy video presentations, to create slides, to create the what will students learn from this course, to create projects, all of this stuff, everything textual, I've used ChatGPT to create. And I'm going to show you how to use it to do some research. So we had a topic of photography. What are some good book subjects related to photography? And by good, I mean high traffic but low competition. Niches. So let's go and see what we get here. Why is it? It wants a question mark. High traffic, low competition. It wants those hyphenated. I have Grammarly running here, and it's checking everything that I type in every application, which I love. So it even gets my spelling and grammar correct when I'm chatting with ChatGPT. So I give it that. And here's what it does. It comes back to me and says, smartphone photography for everyday. I didn't even think of taking photography to the smartphone. High traffic, millions of people shoot with phones. Lower competition. Most books focus on DSLR techniques. That's interesting. So ChatGPT, we already looked at how to select a niche. Well, now we're actually getting more niche information from ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a great source for selecting your topic. Small business branding, creating creative editing, and AI-enhanced photography. Wow, these are great topics. Real estate and Airbnb photography. So which one of these do we have an interest in? Smartphone photography caught my interest. Now watch this. It knows about item 1. It knows everything that was said and its history, so I can refer back to it. So I can say, provide an outline for a short book based on topic 1. And here it is giving me an outline. Chapter 1, know your camera. Chapter 2, lighting is everything, composition, everyday moments, editing on your phone, storytelling with photos, share, print, and preserve, and your photography journey starts now. This is a great outline. So it's very tempting to just have ChatGPT do everything. It will take you through. In fact, check this out. So I would say, write chapter 1. And here it is giving me the words for chapter 1. So it's going through and expanding on each of those notes. Now I can tell it, let's say I'm interested in this, but the topics aren't quite long enough. So I would, let me try that again. I triple click on it to select it all, copy, and then I come down here and I say expand upon, and we'll do it in quotes. I'll paste it. Expand upon this stuff with multiple lenses. And here it gives me more information on multiple lenses. So it's going through and giving me quite a bit of more information on multiple lenses. So this is the way that you can do research and compile a book. You can ask it for anything. And when this topic, you want to move to a different topic, just come up here and say, give me a new chat. And we start all over again with, tell me about, I don't know, writing a book. That was something. Writing a book, that's very interesting to me. Start with an idea, develop a plan, set a writing schedule. So all of these things that I could have used it to create this section, but I had my own ideas, so I didn't. And that's how to use ChatGPT to do research.